Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Diamond Pepe token. Ticker symbol is Peped. This token is doing amazing today. I think it was up like 500% earlier. It's still up almost 300% right now. DiamondPepe.vip is their webpage. They just got listed on CoinMarketCap just today. And serious pump ensued right after they got listed on CoinMarketCap. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us. So check them out in the description box, and let's get into this token here. The Diamond Pepe token. So like I said, diamondpepe.vip is their official webpage. You can find that listed on CoinMarketCap. Now, if you want to find their Etherscan, that's on CoinMarketCap, and it says they have 1,109 holders so far. 18 decimal places on this token, and of course, a max total supply of 69,420,000,000,000 tokens, the meme number of tokens. Now, they also have some socials on here. So their Twitter is at Pepe Diamond ETH. Their Telegram is Diamond Pepe Army. And they also have a price chart and contract address available on CoinMarketCap. Now, their market cap right now is $15.2 million. Fully diluted market cap is about 9.4 million. 24-hour trading volume, $5.2 million. So yeah, chart is going bananas. A lot of positive comments on here so far. Now, this token is an Ethereum token. So if you did want to get this token, all you would have to do is fund your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Ethereum. Go into the dApps. Find Uniswap and then trade your Ethereum for the Diamond Pepe VIP token using the contract address that you could find on CoinMarketCap, on their Etherscan, or on their official webpage, diamondpepe.vip. You may have to set slippage if there's taxes in the tokenomics. We're going to try to find that in a second. And just be aware there is going to be a little bit of network fees and gas fees when buying tokens off of Uniswap. Now, if you check out their Twitter and their Telegram, you can kind of get an idea of how new this project is. So their Twitter just joined in May 2023. So this token is literally hot off the press, as new as it can be. It says the most memeable meme coin in existence. Pepe D. 403 Twitter followers so far, only 14 tweets. Their pinned tweet has their Telegram link, their website link, and a DEX tools chart. But you can see the chart now on excuse me, on CoinMarketCap. They talked about 53 minutes ago how they reached, I think that number is wrong, and they put an extra zero in there, 20 million market cap. Let's see what their webpage. So yeah, they reached 20 million market cap. It says 53 minutes ago. That's probably when they were up around 500%. Right now they're at $15.2 million market cap. Still doing very well, of course, today. So it says in a tweet from 2 hours ago, all liquidity has been locked for 101 years, and there's a link to verify that. You can go check that out if you like. It says they reached $15 million market cap in 13 hours without any form of marketing yet. The combination of Pepe and Diamond holders is truly too powerful. So, yeah, I don't think they're on CoinGecko yet, just CoinMarketCap. They reached a $1 million market cap in 6 hours. And they're still talking about how they didn't do any marketing yet. Make meme coins great again. And their Telegram at Diamond Pepe Army has 333 subscribers. So check that out. That is an announcement channel. Now their webpage has most of the information. If you didn't understand how to buy, what I said earlier, now they said same sort of idea, but you can review how to buy if you were lost on what I said. That's on their webpage, diamondpepe.vip. They say you should set slippage between 0.01 and 0.3 in the settings section. So that's very low slippage. If anybody had issues with setting slippage or taxes or anything like that, and they had to change it to a certain number, leave a comment down below. That helps other people understand what's happening with this token. Now, they have their partners listed on here. Uniswap, Dex Tools, and the other ones have a little lock on them, which means that they will be coming in the future. And they are mostly central exchange listings like Binance, BitGet, MEXC Global, Bybit, KuCoin, Huobi, Gate, and OKX. So they're saying they're going to be listed on all these central exchanges in the future, which is a lot of big exchanges, especially MEXC Global. If you guys don't have an MEXC Global account, I do have a referral code for MEXC in the description box. Now, why would you get Diamond Pepe? Well, Diamond Pepe, ticker symbol PEPED, unites the crypto community through diamond hands and memes. Our project celebrates resilience and dedication, fostering a fun, engaging atmosphere. Collaborations with influencers and content creators bolster our growth. Join the Pepe community and let's make PEPED a shining beacon of entertainment in the crypto world. So it says 93.1% of the tokens is just going to the liquidity pool, and 6.9% of the tokens is allocated for central exchange listings. So they have very similar meme numbers, all of these tokens, like 69,420,000,000,000 tokens. They also do 6.9% to central exchanges. Very memed out, of course. So PEPED is a meme coin with no intrinsic value or expectation of financial return. There is not even a formal team or roadmap. So definitely be aware of that. This is, you don't want to get rugged. I do not see a formal audit or KYC or anything like that. So definitely take this with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially meme coins, because you don't want to be involved in some sort of scam, so be aware of that. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about Diamond Pepe? I mean, there's not much to it besides it just being a meme coin. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.